Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this Ford truck. So this one is a flatbed version, as you can see, and this one is the covered version, as you can see. And we will be assembling the regular version today. But the assembly process is all the same. If you get the flatbed or the covered, it's all the same. So this is just going to be one assembly video for all options, no matter what version of the truck that you get. So as usual, when we work with these kits, you first clip away the sprues and such. So clip away all these little things here. And yeah, just clipping away here. There's another little sprue here. Alright, and so what we have here is these wheels, just the clipping away of these sprue cuts is the last part of our task. Just gotta clip away these. Step by step, actually. Alright, so we've done the cutting away process for this kit. So now we're going to glue together the stuff. Take your glue. Whoops, that was a lot of glue. Wow. Doesn't come out like that typically, but okay. There you go. So we got that piece there. It's the front little piece for that kit. And up next, let's put a little glue here, and I'll be careful this time. It comes out strong, I guess. There you go. And then we're just gonna put this axle on like that, like so. Perfect. Done. Next, we just put a little glue here. So a little glue like that. Let's get that back piece glued on like that. So that's all good. Very good. So this cab is being glued together fairly nicely. The next task for us is to glue on the front bumper. So just put some glue there and there. Take this bumper. Let's just put that piece on like so. Very good. Very good. I'm just gonna let that glue for a bit. Let that dry. It's best, I suggest you to let this bumper dry before we continue the next part of this kit. Alright, so we are continuing on after waiting for that to just dry a little bit. And we actually have something else to dry. So let's go ahead and put a little glue on here. You saw where I put the... Alright. So now we need to put this piece like that. Just get that into place in a good place. And then we're gonna let this dry. So the best way to let that dry is just kind of prop it up. Now let's try to prop this up. Alright, carefully letting that stay there. Let's let that dry. Alright, so continuing the process. So for this part of the kit, let's go ahead and put a little glue on just the bottom, or like this. Then you're just gonna put that down like that. And the next task for us is to Put some glue there, there, and then maybe up against the cab there. Then we shall, wow, so this just fell apart. So recommended to let that dry just a little longer. Yeah, so that's an issue you might face. Yep, so the best suggestion I have for you is just to prop it up against something and let that dry. All right, so we are continuing on. This is what it should look like. And now let's go ahead and glue on some wheels here, the front and back wheels. So I went ahead and let it dry for quite a bit of time to make sure that was nice and strong. Not gonna break when I just touch it, so that was done. And now I'm just gluing on these wheels. Finishing up this kit. Now just this last wheel here. And there they are, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.